Welcome back, students, to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. Friends, today's video lecture we will cover this paper 11. This is chapter 11, class 7. The chapter name is Profit and Loss. So friends, let's get started. And now friends, this is the last session of chapter 11, means profit and loss. So here friends, we will start from question number 1. Question number 1, section A says, by selling a car for rupees 1375, a man gains 10%. Okay, find its cost price. Here friends, we have to find the CP. Whatever the given, first write down, then write your gains. Now friends, here the solution. SP is given, what? SP is equal to 1375, a man gains, and gain is equal to friends G for gain 10%. Okay, and find the cost, yani CP is equal to what? Very simple friends. Now here friends, now CP is equal to friends what? Let the CP is X, either let the CP is X, so the SP is equal to CP friends, CP plus CP into 10%. Now remember friends, where there is gain means we have to add the whatever the profit to the CP. Okay, now CP is considered as X, here is the X, plus this is X, multiply by 10 by 100, percentage means out of 100, this 0 cancel, and SP is given friends, this is 1375 rupees. Okay, now this is 1375 is equal to, this is X plus this is 1 into X, this is X divided by 10. This could be written as friend, this is 1375 is equal to, take the LCM of 10, here is the 1, here is the 10x, and this is plus only x, so this is equal to, after cross multiplication friends, 10x plus x, 11x, multiply by 1 as it is 11x, so this is 10 multiply by 1375. Okay, now x is equal to friends, this is 10 multiply 1375 divided by here 11. Okay, so this will get cancelled, 11 1 ja 11 friends, 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 11 5 ja 55. So hence x is equal to 10 multiplied by 125. So now afterward friends, x is equal to 125 and 0, that means 1250. Now have a look friends, this is CP, and now see friends, here SP is given and this SP is greater than CP, and here is the given gains. This is obviously correct, so this is your answer, and CP is equal to 1250 rupees. I hope you will be grasped. Now next question. Now friends, here the next question number 2 says, if the selling price of 10 pence is equal to the cost price of 14 pence, find gain percent friends. Here friends, there is no rate given for pen friends. Okay, so now let consider friends, here let price of each pen, price of each pen is equal to friends 1 rupees. Okay, now CP of 10 pence friends, CP of 10 pence is equal to 10 multiplied by 1, means the cost of 1 pen is 1 rupees, so the cost of 10 pence friends 10 into 1, so this is 10 rupees. Now we can find, now the CP of 14 pen is equal to 14 multiplied by 1, is equal to 14 rupees. Now here is the given one thing friends, and the given what? Now given is SP of 10, selling price of 10 pence. That means SP of 10 pence is equal to CP of 14 pence. So this is given friends. Now here friends, this is SP of 10 pence. If we sell the 10 pence, that means if we sell the 10 pence, and now we will get the return as the cost of 14 pence. So the SP of 10 pence, the rate of the SP of 10 pence is equal to the cost price of 14 pence. Here the cost price of CP of 14 pence is equal to 40 rupees friends. Here is the 40 rupees. So this is SP of 10 pence. Now here friends, SP of 10 pence, that means SP of 10 pence is equal to 14 rupees. And now here have a look friends, the CP of 10 pence is give here 10 rupees. Now see friends, here is the CP is less than the SP. Okay, so we can say, and here is the return, we have to find the gains. Now friends, now the gain, first find the gain. What about the gain? The gain is equal to SP minus CP friends. So the SP is here is the 14 rupees friends, minus CP is friends 10 rupees, because friend we have to sold the 10 pence. So on this 10 pence, now that means the CP of 10 pence is 10 rupees and the SP of 10 pence is 14 rupees. So the gain is SP minus CP is equal to, this is 4 rupees. Okay, now find the percentage gain. So percentage gain is equal to friends, gain multiplied by 100 divided by CP. So this is percentage gain for the 10, this is 10, G is means 4, and multiply by this is 100, and here friends CP. So CP is friends 10 rupees. So 10 will get cancel, 4 10 friends 40. So 40% is answer this question. I hope you will understand. Now next question is, now see friends, question number 3 says, on selling fan for 2585, a man gains 1/10 of its cost price. Okay, find the cost price of the fan. Now friends, SP is given. SP of a fan, SP of a fan is 2585 rupees. Okay, now gains friends, here the gain 1/10 of CP friends, but CP is not given. Find the CP find करना. Now we have to find the CP. Let friends, suppose let CP is friends X rupees. Okay, now then friends gain, what about the gain? So gain is equal to this 1/10 of means multiply for 1/10 of CP. So this could be written as 1/10 as it is friend, of means multiply, and CP is here friends X. So we can say X1 X by 10 rupees. So we can say friends, gain is equal to what? X by 10 rupees. This is gain friends, and here is the CPs. Here we consider as CP X rupees. Now we can find the SP. So the SP is friends CP plus gain. SP is equal to friends CP plus gain. Okay, or either we can find the gain is equal to SP minus CP. But okay, both are same sense. So now we can write either SP is equal to CP plus gain. Okay, now the SP is given friends 2585 is equal to CP is what? X consider, and plus gain is friends X by 10. Now this is 2585 is equal to, take the LCM of 10. So this is 10x friends plus X. So now 2585 is equal to, this is 11x divided by 10. Now after cross multiplication friends, here is the 11x into 1 11x divided by, this is 10 multiplied by 25 and 85. So x is equal to friends 10 multiplied by 2585 divided by 11. So this will get cancelled friends. 11 2 is 22. 11 3 is friends 33. 11 5 is 55. So x is equal to 10 multiplied by 235. Now इसलिए therefore x is equal to friends 2350. So this is what friends, this is CP, hence CP is equal to 2350 rupees. This is answer. I hope friends you will understand. Now see friends, question number 4 says a man buys lemons at 6 for 10 rupees and sells at 8 for 15 rupees 15. Find gain percent friends. Now friends, since there is no CP and SP first, so here friends, in this question first we have to find this CP or SP for per lemons. What about the cost per lemons, and what about the selling price of one lemons? What about the cost price of per lemon? So find friends, since the first is given, a man buys, okay, a man buys 6 lemons for rupees friends, 4 rupees, or either we can 4 rupees 10 rupees. A man buys 6 lemon rupees 10 rupees. That means for 10 rupees a man buys 6 lemon for 10 rupees. So this man buys 1 lemon is equal to 10 by 6 rupees friends. Okay, so this could be written as, this is 2 5 ja friends and 2 3 ja this rupees. So this is the cost of, we can, so hence this is CP of 1 lemon is 5 by 3 rupees. Now similarly friends, the second case is said and sells at 8 rupees for 15, and now a man sells 8 lemon is equal to 15 rupees friends. So here we have to find, so a man sells 1 lemon is equal to 15 by 8 rupees. Okay, that means we can hear the SP of 1 lemon is equal to friends 15 by 8 rupees. Now friends, we here is the given that the find the gain percent. Find the gain percent, but this is in the fraction form, this is also in the fraction form, and which fraction is greater? So we know how to find out friends. This is 5 by 3, this is CP, and SP is 15 by 3. After cross multiplication, this is 40 friends, here 14, and this is 45. So we can find this is, that means first 15 by 8 is the greater. So here friends, SP, here SP greater and CP, because 15 by 8 is greater. Okay, so here gains, now gain is equal to friends, gain is equal to SP minus CP. So the SP is friends what? SP is given 15 by 8. Now CP is friends 5 by 3. After calculating friends, 8 is LCM. So 8 is divided, no sorry, 8 and 24 is the LCM friends. This 24 is divided by 8, 3 multiplied by this is 15, 45 friends, 15 3 is 45 minus, and 40 for 24 is divided by 3, 8 multiplied by 5, this is 40. Now here friends, this is 45 minus 40, so gain is equal to, this is 5 divided by 24, and we have to find friends percentage gain. So the percentage gain is equal to friends gain multiplied by 100 divided by CP. Now percentage gain is equal to, gain is friends We can write this, friends, here the percentage gain from here. Percentage gain is equal to gain what, friends? This is 5 by 24 is the gain, and multiply by, this is gain 100, and divided by CP. CP is here, friends. This is CP 5 by 3. Now here, friends, this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled one time, and this 3, friends, here this 3, 8, 3 8 cancel. So this is 100 divided by 8. So this is 4 2 and this is 25 times. So 25 divided by 2 is equal to, friends, 12.5%. So this is required answer. Now, friends, see question number 7. A vendor buys lemons at 25 rupees per dozen and sells at 5 for 12 rupees. His gain percent is what? It has 4 options, friends. A 14%, 14.5%, B 15%, C 15.2%, and D 16%. Now first find the solution, then match the correct option. Now, since, friends, what were the given here? A vendor here, friends, a vendor buys one dozen lemons. Here 12 lemons, friends. 1 dozen means, friends, 12 lemons. Okay, and rupees what? 25 rupees. Okay, a vendor buys 12 lemons, 25 rupees. Okay, now इसलिए a vendor buys 1 lemon is equal to 25 divided by, friends, this is 12 rupees. So we can say, friends, this is the CP. Buy means CP. So CP of 1 lemon is equal to 25 by 12. So this is, we get the CP. Okay, now for the second case, friends, and now a vendor sell, since a vendor sells 5 lemons, what? This is 12 rupees in 12 rupees. So is therefore a vendor sells 1 lemon is equal to 12 by 5 rupees. So here, friends, we have, now we can, here the SP of 1 lemon, friends, this is 12 by 5, because here the sell means SP, selling price. Now friends, this and this are in the fraction form. This is the CP and this is the SP. So what is greater? Let me check. Either you can check or find directly without any checking. So this is 12 by cross multiplication. This is 25 5 125. This is 1x44. So this is greater. So 12 by 5. So 12 by 5 is greater. So here the SP is greater CP, friends. So the gain occurs. Gain, and we have to find the percentage gain. Now, friends, gain occurs. That means we have to find the first gain. Gain is equal to, friends, SP minus CP. So the SP is what, friends? SP is given 12 by 5 minus CP is, friends, 25 by 12. Now calculate, friends. 60 LCM. 60 divided by 5, 12, 144, friends, minus 60 divided by 12, friends, 5 multiplied by 25, 125. Now subtract, friend. 125. This is 5. 25 is subtracting. This is 19. So 19 divided by 60. Now see friends, percentage gain is here. Now percentage gain is equal to, this is, let me erase friends. Now percentage gain is equal to gain multiplied by 100 divided by friends CP. So here is gain friends. Gain is what? Gain is given, gain is 19 by 60 is the gain, multiply by 100, and CP is friends, here the CP is, this is the CP, okay, 25 this CP by 12. So here when 12 1 ja 12 and 12 5 ja, okay. So this here friends, and 5 will get cancelled 20 times में, 19 multiply by 20 or divided by friends, this is 25. 5 5 ja friends 25, and 5 4 ja 20, okay. Now multiplying, here 9 multiply by 4 is what? So 9 multiply by 4 is equal to, and divided by 5 friends, this is 76 divided by 5. Now so this is 5 1 ja 5 friends, 5 5 ja 25, and 5 2 ja 10%. This is 15.2%. C is the correct option. I hope friends you will understand. Now friends, I have already solved all the difficult types of problems in test paper 11. So I hope friends you can easily solve the remaining questions, and including with the solutions questions that I solved right now. So your homework friends, to complete to solve test paper 11. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, contact me, comment in the comment box below.